Bonsoir, bienvenue, welcome.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Pas de photos, pas de vidéos et surtout pas de vomitos. S'il vous plaît, no picture, no video et no vomito. Thank you. Si vous avez des regrets, c'est trop tard. For the regret, it's too late. Bye bye.
Nous espérons que votre séjour au Hollywood Tower Hotel aura été agréable. Et surtout, n'hésitez pas à remarquer